Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know this video is a little bit late. I am shooting it on a Tuesday and hoping कि आज रात तक मैं इसको post कर दूँ. This is supposed to be a Monday motivation, and for today's motivation, I decided why not share the stuff that has inspired me in the past few weeks. And I've been consuming a lot of long form content because in my opinion जब बहुत ज़्यादा brain rot हो जाता है सिर्फ reels देख देख के तो yeah, new nails. If you are here from Instagram or from the YouTube algorithm, मैंने ये nails अभी तक reveal नहीं किए हैं Instagram पे, so you are the first to see them. And yeah, let me just show it to you properly. दोनों हाथ के दिखाती हूँ, रुक जाओ. Focus, focus, focus. Yeah, see, pretty nails, right? So actually I got this done from oopsie. So yeah, I got this done from someone I know, a friend. उसने अपना एक local ये start किया है, एक खुद का business start किया है. So I'll link her page down below. If you are from Pune, maybe you can try it out. Her work is really good, as you can see. And yeah, let's get into the video. So this video is going to be all about the top 5 podcasts that I have been watching, and there is a bonus recommendation at the end, so stick till the end. And my Lilu is just getting into the light. Say hi, Lilu. Wait, I put lipstick on her. So where were we? We were at the podcast. So I have created some flashcards और इसके ऊपर मैंने सिर्फ नाम लिखा हुआ है, इसके ऊपर मैंने और कुछ नहीं लिखा है. तो I'm just going to randomly pick one, and we are going to break it down for you that why do I like what I like. These are like 5-6 cards. Okay, so I hope the bonus card doesn't pop up in the first, नहीं तो फिर मजे हो जाएंगे तुम लोगों के. लेकिन तुम लोग फिर वीडियो नहीं देखोगे, देख लोगे, मेरे को पता है देख लोगे. चलो, so okay, we've started with Diary of a CEO. So Diary of a CEO is my absolute favorite. मैंने वो book नहीं पढ़ी है. I really want to read that book, but I like this podcast so much because he gets a lot of guests on his podcast जिनके बारे में आपको सब कुछ जानना है. For example, there's Dr. Mike, and there's Huberman, Andrew Huberman, Dr. Andrew Huberman. Yeah. So he's there. A lot of people that you don't know anything about, and he'll just dive deep into their entire life and understand the whys and hows of what they are doing and how they're achieving it, and various things of that sort. And it is really inspiring to learn from people's experience, and that is my opinion, because you cannot make all the mistakes in the world. There are only two ways to learning. One is either you make a mistake and you learn from it, or either you learn from someone you know or someone just को आप look up करते हो. So I feel like we cannot make all the mistakes in the world. We don't have the time for it, and there is literally zero possibility कि हम खुद सारे mistakes करके सीखें. So it's better, it's more wiser to learn from people's mistakes. It's more recommended to learn from people's mistake, and therefore I love to understand people's journey and see where they're coming from, why they made the choices that they made, and how their choices have impacted their life. And Diary of a CEO really dives deep into it. I love this podcast, and yeah, let's get into the second one. So the second one is ललन टॉप. नाउ ललन टॉप मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा इसलिए पसंद है दो चीज़ों के लिए. वन, ही स्पीक्स इन हिंदी, ठीक है, वो शुद्ध हिंदी में बात करते हैं, एंड पूरा का पूरा आपको ना ऐसे मतलब ऐसा लगता है you're sticking to your roots, you know. There are so many times when you have been brought up through an English medium school, and even after like Hindi being your national language, it's not necessarily national language. Yeah, no, we have a lot of national language. Hindi is not, but Hindi is like the most widely spoken language in India. So watching his podcast really makes me get closer, really gets me closer to my roots. And the second reason why I love his podcast is because I am obsessed with anything cinema, and he gets a lot of interviewee from the Bollywood, from the cinema, from the Bollywood world. So that again, learning from their journey, because I really aspire to be somewhere in the art field. So मेरे को वो देख के बहुत मज़ा आता है, बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलता है, and it really just makes my day better. Just makes me very happy. And the way he goes back and forth, the इट्स लाइक प्रॉपर जर्नलिज्म, ठीक है, उसको देख के ना ऐसे जर्नलिज्म वाली जो प्रॉपर फील्स आती है ना, दैट इज़ सो गुड. इट जस्ट yeah, eventually I want to also do my own podcast. So like I look at him and I learn a lot from him कि भाई क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछना है, बैक एंड फोर्थ कैसे जाना है, हार्ड क्वेश्चंस कैसे पूछना है वगैरह वगैरह. तो बड़ा मज़ा आता है वो देख के सीखने में. एंड yeah, if there are again two ways to learning. Either you are formally trained, you go to a school, you get the certification and things of that sort, or else you're a DIY person. और DIY के अंदर क्या आता है, तुम देख देख के सीखते हो, तुम ट्राई कर करके सीखते हो, तुम ये कर लेते हो, तुम वो कर लेते हो. जब तुम ये सारी चीज़ें करते हो, you're actually just teaching yourself to do different things that you haven't done before. Of course, in the beginning you won't be able to do it right, but eventually if you just keep showing up, you'll understand where you're making mistakes and how you can overcome it. So that's my take on Lullen Top. I really 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 love it. And Lullen Top की तरह ही we have चलचित्र talks, जिसके बारे में like they have this podcast called longest podcast or something, ऐसा करके कुछ होता है. मैं नाम भूल गई. called this, I get a notification and I forget what I'm saying. So मैं क्या बोल रही थी. चलचित्र टॉक्स हैज़ अ पॉडकास्ट जिसका नाम है लॉन्गेस्ट इंटरव्यू एवर, लॉन्गेस्ट पॉडकास्ट एवर, ऐसा करके कुछ नाम है. नाउ आई एम फॉरगेटिंग एट द मोमेंट, बट अगेन विच इट्स लाइक अ बुक. It's a book recommendations का book. It's like a podcast recommendations का podcast or like a film recommendation का film. So like उसके अंदर सब कुछ होता है. So in this podcast, he will take recommendations from his interviewers, ranging from movies, books, to things they like, the podcasts they watch, or the books they're reading on Audible, like the audiobooks they're reading. It's a very encompassing, a holistic experience, and I love to further understand people by learning what they are learning from. So essentially, like, you are what you eat, right? So when you see a person, you don't understand what they have consumed, but once you know that what they're consuming, you further understand that why they are shaped the way they are shaped. I hope I'm making sense to you. For example, if you are someone from Ratnagiri side of Maharashtra or India, तो तुम लोग अगर मैंगोज बहुत ज़्यादा खाते हो, तो you are pretty much used to the mangoes, right? You will have those particular proteins, particular nutrients which will shape you in a different way. Maybe you won't get acne often after eating mangoes, which probably is a myth. As compared to someone who is not used to consuming as many mangoes. So yeah, that really matters. अब इससे better example मैं ये दे सकती हूँ, जैसे people in the tropics are used to the humid climate, right? But the European people are used to the daylight saving and all of that jazz. When you go and live there, you just find it extremely weird. Geographically, it's a shock. So the places you stay, the food you consume in that area, the seasonal fruits that you get, the seasonal vegetables and the stuff that you get really shapes you as a person and really enhances you and flourishes you. So it's very important that you eat your seasonal fruits. That's my point. Next, Huberman Lab. Huberman Lab is my absolute favorite because of various reasons. Like, he will give you life hacks and biohacking techniques which are backed by science, and you know, he'll like go into depth of it, and he'll speak about a lot of topics, bring guests on his podcast to talk about it, and the guests are like experts, for example sleep experts, for example menstrual health expert or any other mental health expert. And I feel like talking to people who are expert in the particular field is really really important to have these discussions, because the way they look at things is a bit different than the people who are unaware of it. Knowledge really changes perspective, right? And we're here to change perspectives, we're here to change ourselves for better, and we're here to change ourselves and become our best version. So talking and communication plays a huge part of it, especially if it is backed by evidence-based medicine and scientific research. And that's what you get by Huberman Lab. उसका एक कौन ये है कि बहुत बड़े lectures होते हैं. I haven't been able to finish an entire podcast ever by myself. तो I don't expect anybody else to do that either. But then उसका I think bite size भी आता है, तो अगर वो तुम लोग देख के consume कर सको तो nothing better than that. And apart from it, I think he also posts like short capsulated form of posts on Instagram, Twitter, X, whatever. So you can just read that like 5 lines and get the crux of it, but you will probably not understand the in-depth mechanics of it. For that you'll need the main video. Lekin once you get this ultra concentrate information of what to do and how to do, तो वो चीज़ अगर तुम practice कर लो, you'll benefit. But that will come from trust. So for developing trust, you will have to go through his main video and see where he's coming from and see what he's talking about and how you are engaging with his content and what you like about it. So once you've developed that trust, you will be able to take that capsulated form of information and imbibe it into your own life, which in my opinion is very important, because we as humans are prone to error. And I think अभी ये bonus वाला card आ चुका है, तो I'm going to talk about the bonus वाला card अभी बीच में से. So the kind of podcast that I recommend apart from this, वो तो अपना Jay Shetty, Raj Amani, Beer Biceps ये सब तो है ही. But इसके अलावा you should also watch someone called Ishan Sharma. Now Ishan Sharma का I think a few videos on Instagram went really viral, and he gives out like really really good information about how to understand tech and how to grow on Instagram and how to motivate yourself and how to be better every day. So that's Ishan Sharma for you. We also have Chris Williamson, which he's very popular. I really like his podcast, but मैंने ज़्यादा consume नहीं किए हैं, थोड़े 1 or 2 here and there with my favorite guests or something. And Prakhar Gupta Experience, PGX, is really cool. I mean, at times like वो बंदा बहुत giggle करता है and it is kind of annoying बीच बीच में, and sometimes you don't get his point. But when you have the patience to understand where he's coming from, you get that he's very on point. Like he's always telling you कि हाँ ये 2 + 2 4 ऐसे करके ना वो एक लाइन में precisely ख़त्म कर देगा. So Prakhar is one of my favorites. And brain rot के लिए अगर कुछ देखना है या just a chill vibe, some podcast that you want to watch at the end of the day where you want to feel like you have a lot of people in the house and you have your friends over and there are some hot discussions happening. So उसके लिए I really like Moment of Silence pod and Untriggered podcast. Moment of Silence, Naina Bhan and Sakshi Shavdasani. Initially I did not like Sakshi's आवाज़, but I got used to it and I understood how smart she is. Like she is literally so smart and hardworking, and that's something I learned by watching her podcast and her vlogs. I got obsessed with her. And Untriggered pe there are these 4 boys who are just like having fun and chilling, and it literally feels like they're your friends or something. But then at times it just gets too much brain rot for me, तो मैं बहुत उसको बीच बीच में कभी कभार देख लेती हूँ. So these were my top 5 recommendations with 5 to 6 bonus recommendations for you, and I hope this was helpful. I'll try to be more on schedule and be more punctual and be more disciplined with this. And thank you so much for tuning in. See you on our Wednesday vlog. तब तक के लिए बाय. सब्सक्राइब कर लेना अगर नहीं किया हो तो.